Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm actually riding a bicycle right now. So I'm doing single-handed right now, single-handed, and my dad's right there. That blue guy was him. Oh god! And if you're wondering where the place I am right now, it's and today we're going into the countryside, all the way out there. So yeah, all the way out there. Which I'm not sure about that, but anyways, still going single-handed. My butt hurts too. My butt actually hurts. I'm just waiting for my dad to show up. That's him. Now that's him. That's him. Whoa. Sheesh. That guy was going fast. That's where we're gonna go. All the way over there. And my hand is shaking because I'm doing one hand for a long time. Oh. So yeah, this is gonna be a good ride, I hope. Okay. I just bumped into something. It's so hard one-handed. I can't even keep up with my dad right now. Come on. He's going further and further away. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay. And look at this. Such a good view field. Yeah. That's what we do. I'm maybe gonna do this for the whole ride. But if you don't like this video, that's okay. Just, you know, go to Infinite Cave. This is, or I don't know, REA or someone, just anyone. Look at that. That is so good. Okay. It's a downhill now. Whew. My dad's just over there. I have to catch up to him. Catch up. Okay. Well, at least a bit better than that. Wow. And guys, I'm not gonna show my face until I do the actual videos for that. So, yeah. Good luck. And look at this. This is broken. I don't know why. I can't do that thingy thing. Oh, look at this. Great downhill. Let's go. A biker's best. Woohoo! I'm not tired. Because it's a downhill. Woohoo! And this there's gonna be a big uphill over there at the end. Jeez. Oh, look, another group down here. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop paddling. Oh, it's straightforward. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Okay. That is beautiful, mate. That is beautiful. If you wonder where I'm from both Hong Kong and I'm also from Denmark. So I come here for the summer, which is right now. And yeah, I do this all summer. Anyways, I'm gonna do more of this very soon. Bye guys.